Guys, so I'm going to do a remedy to help improve hair growth. So guys, we're going to use a teaspoon of allspice, guys. So this is going to help stimulate hair growth, unblock your pores, help breakage, and stop your scalp from itching. And guys, I will leave the link where you guys can read up on allspice and see the benefits of the hair. Inside of here is unrefined coconut oil, guys. So I already melted that down, and I just put in the allspice, guys. I put in about 2 to 3 scoops of vitamin E, guys. And then now we're going to use the nutmeg, because the nutmeg as well is going to add body volume, help stimulate hair growth, split ends, everything, guys. So we're going to mix all this together. And guys, I'm going to put it into my bottle, but it would definitely help promote and keep your hair growing and have it healthy and everything, guys. So in the bottom of here, guys, I got just a touch of rosemary oil, guys. Give it a nice scent, and rosemary oil is good in vitamins and nutrients for your hair. So everything I tell you guys can look it up. If you don't believe me, anything I tell you, look it up. And you could see what it does, the remedy of what it does. And I like to put it in a bottle like this, guys. And I shake it up, and then I'm going to go feed my scalp. I just got my hair braided yesterday, guys. And when I get my hair braided, my hair be kind of sore. So it's good when I warm this up, because I'm going to massage this in my scalp. And I'm going to give myself a nice hair growth treatment with my braids, guys. And I'll show y'all one picture of me with my wig off, guys. And kind of show you guys my hair. But yeah, I've still been treating my hair. And I don't have a perm in it. So I do blow dry it really, really well. So I just wanted to bring that recipe for you guys. So guys, you guys try out that recipe and help your hair to grow. And do your hair growth oil. Because you guys go buy these bottles. They be $13, $14. Make your own. Look up what's healthy for your hair and make it yourself. And guys, onions is really good. But I didn't have any onion powder here. So you guys can do a half a teaspoon of onion powder, because you don't want your hair to smell like onions. And I do not rinse this out. I feed it in my scalp and leave it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, right here, guys, that's the nutmeg. You guys can look it up. That's the vitamin E. You guys can look that up as well and do the research on that. That's the allspice, guys. You guys can pause it and do the research on that. The rosemary oil, you guys can look up the research on that. So everything that I give you guys, it is real information that will work. So look it up, guys, and help stimulate hair growth. And coming up is pictures of my natural hair. I don't have a perm. And I also found out that vitamin E slows down the gray. If you notice, one side of my hair got a little gray streak like Elvira, and the rest of my hair is like a sandy dark brown, guys. So guys, yes, try this out. And it also softens your hair as well. I haven't had a perm in quite a while. And then this coming up is the way that I braid my hair with my wig on, the beehive, and I feed the herbs through it, guys. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching, and get some healthy hair growth. Bye.